Hello, hello, and a massive warm welcome back to English Corner Talks. We are absolutely thrilled to have you here with us today.
Hi, everyone. It's great to see you again. If you're new here, I'm Paul.
And I'm Sira. We are your partners in crime for mastering English conversation. Our goal is simple, to help you speak naturally, confidently, and without fear.
Exactly. Forget the boring textbooks for a few minutes. We want to give you real English, the kind you actually hear on the street. And hey, if you enjoy our talks, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps our little community grow.
It definitely does. Now, Paul, today we are tackling a topic that literally everyone can relate to. It's the framework of our existence.
Sounds serious. Are we talking about philosophy?
Not quite. We are talking about the daily routine, but not just I wake up and eat. We are going to zoom in on the tiny details, the feelings, and the vocabulary of an average day.
I love it. A deep dive into the daily grind. Okay, Sira, you go first. Take us to the very beginning. The alarm clock goes off. What is the vibe?
Okay. Picture this. It's 6:30 a.m. My alarm isn't a noise, it's a light. It slowly gets brighter like the sun. But honestly, I still bury my face in the pillow for a solid 2 minutes.
The classic denial phase, I know it well.
Exactly! I'm what you call groggy. My brain is foggy, my body feels heavy. I drag myself out of bed and put my feet on the carpet. That texture is the first thing I feel. What about you? Are you an early bird?
Oh, absolutely not. I am a night owl. My alarm goes off at 7:30 a.m. and it's a loud, annoying buzzer. I hit the snooze button at least twice.
Living on the edge.
Right? I know. But once I'm up, I'm in a rush. I stumble to the bathroom. The first thing I do is splash freezing cold water on my face. It's a shock to the system, but it wakes me up instantly.
Ooh, that sounds intense. I prefer a warm start. I brush my teeth using an electric toothbrush because I'm lazy, and then I head straight to the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of my morning.
Let me guess. Coffee.
No coffee for me. I'm a tea person. I boil the water, and while it's heating up, I look out the window. I love watching the city wake up. The streets are quiet, the sky is a pale blue. It's my moment of mindfulness before the chaos begins.
That sounds very peaceful. My kitchen experience is chaotic. I'm usually running around looking for my keys while the coffee machine is making that loud grumbling noise. I pour a black coffee, grab a slice of toast, usually burnt, and I'm out the door.
See, that's the difference. I sit down, I have a bowl of oatmeal with blueberries, I check my emails on my phone, which is a bad habit, I know, but I need to know what today looks like.
Okay, so we are fed and dressed. Now the beast, the commute. How do you get to work, Sira?
I take the subway. It's a love-hate relationship.
Why love-hate?
I love it because I can read. I put in my noise-canceling headphones, block out the world, and read a novel. But I hate it because it's packed. We are squeezed in like sardines. You can smell everyone's perfume, coffee, and sometimes sweat.
Gross, but realistic. I drive to work. My car is my sanctuary. I turn on a podcast, usually something funny to get me in a good mood, and I navigate the traffic.
Does the traffic drive you crazy?
Sometimes, when it's bumper to bumper, that means the cars are touching, I get a bit frustrated, but I try to use the time to practice singing.
Badly, I assume?
Terrible singing, but no one can hear me. So we arrive at work. What's the first task?
I work in an open plan office, so the first thing is saying good morning to about 10 people. Then I sit at my desk, adjust my chair, and create a to-do list. If I don't write it down, it doesn't happen.
I'm the same. I prioritize my tasks. I do the hardest thing first. We call that eating the frog.
Eating the frog! I love that idiom. It means doing the most difficult, unpleasant task first, so the rest of the day is easier.
Exactly. My mornings are usually full of meetings, endless Zoom calls. My eyes get tired from staring at the screen. By 1 p.m., my stomach is growling like a wild animal.
The lunch break, the best hour of the day. Do you pack a lunch?
I try to, usually leftovers from dinner, chicken and rice mostly. I try to step away from my desk. I go for a brisk walk around the block just to get fresh air.
That's healthy. I usually eat at my desk while working. It's a bad habit. Sad desk lunch, we call it. But around 3 p.m., I hit a wall.
The afternoon slump.
Yes! My energy crashes. I need a pick-me-up. Usually a piece of dark chocolate or a quick chat with a coworker.
And then finally, the clock hits 5 or 6 p.m. Freedom!
The feeling of shutting down the computer is pure joy. The commute home feels lighter, doesn't it? Even if it's routed.
Definitely. You know the day is done. When I get home, I have a strict rule.
What's the rule?
Outside clothes come off immediately. I change into sweatpants or shorts. I literally cannot relax if I'm wearing jeans.
I am 100% with you. I change into my loungewear. Then I do my decompression routine. I lie on the sofa for exactly 15 minutes and do absolutely nothing. I just stare at the ceiling.
Resetting the brain. I usually head to the kitchen to start dinner. Cooking relaxes me. Chopping vegetables is therapeutic.
I wish I was like that. I usually order takeout or mix something super simple, like scrambled eggs. But my evening is for my hobbies. I'm learning to paint.
Really? That's amazing.
It's messy, but fun. It helps me express myself. What about your evening?
I'm a bit of a couch potato in the evenings. My wife and I usually binge watch a series on Netflix. We curl up with the blanket and just zone out. It's our quality time.
Sounds cozy. And before bed, do you have a ritual?
I try to avoid screens for an hour before sleep. Keyword is try. I usually fail. I scroll through social media, which is terrible for sleep hygiene.
It is. The blue light keeps you awake. I have a strict routine. I do my skincare, wash my face, apply moisturizer. Then I read a paperback book. No screens.
Look at you, being perfect.
Far from perfect, but it helps me sleep. I turn off the bedside lamp, snuggle into the duvet, and hopefully I'm asleep within 10 minutes.
And then the cycle starts all over again.
It does. But you know, Paul, even though it sounds repetitive, there is comfort in routine. It gives our life structure.
Absolutely. Okay, before we wrap up, let's quickly review 4 power words we used today.
Good idea. First word, groggy.
That means feeling weak, confused, or sleepy, usually when you just wake up or are sick. I felt groggy when the alarm went off.
Second word, commute.
This is your journey to and from work. My commute takes 40 minutes by car.
Third one, sanctuary.
A safe, peaceful place. Paul said his car is his sanctuary.
And finally, therapeutic.
Something that makes you feel relaxed and healthy. Cooking is therapeutic for me.
Awesome. Well, guys, that brings us to the end of our daily journey. We hope you picked up some new phrases to describe your own life.
We have a question for you today. Are you an early bird or a night owl? And what is the one thing you must do every morning?
Let us know in the comments. We love reading your stories.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to English Corner Talks.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
See ya!